Welcome everyone to this quick introduction video of our new amazing platform that we have created for the community. It is called AI Builders Vault. This is a collection of all the major resources that you require to start going and doing your challenges. So what we have done, cut all the noise and put everything that is required here. So you will try to get to understand what are the specific things that are there. We start with a little bit of essential prerequisites that are there. For the things that you need to know, then the application architecture, because that is very important if you're building an AI application or any application that is there. Then Git and GitHub, because without that you will not be able to do a lot of things. And also we are requesting people to submit the final model or whatever application that they're building through GitHub. Then more about Hugging Face, if someone is in the MLDS path or the LLM path, how they can use Hugging Face, and also the deployment is through Hugging Face. A little bit about generative AI. We have added one particular course material who people who are trying to do applications, how they can use prompt engineering for developers, specific videos that are there. Then we have some how can do basic deployments and LLMs for the advanced track that is there. Then we have the no-code, low-code tools. So we have multiple low-code, no-code tools that we have discussed. The recordings are here for you to understand and start using it. And then for the LLM coding path, we have put some materials. What are the steps of building an application? And we are putting all videos and workshops here. And then we have this specific best of the previous AI application challenges, the ones that who actually won this. How they did the presentation, because presentation and communicating what you have done is also a very big part of the challenge. And then recording of all our meetups, workshops that we are doing to take you one step further. So this is all the things that we have for all of you to take care, and see you in the next video where you go in deeper of how can you use these applications and how you can start using the LMS platform that is there. Do the assessments as well. It is inbuilt here for you to make sure that you have done it. Thank you, and see you in the